2014 War Crew freestyling.
Yeah, we're freestyling. We can't be losing denying. We gotta be spitting these facts, not fallacies. Doing a freestyle over Dobie. That's why you gotta keep one eye open like Dobie or Bushwick Bill. Cause these haters still watching. Camera on every light. Pass the mic back to Acrimonious. It's Acrimonious MC. Juicebox and CP30 on the motherfucking rap thing, yo. We're just rapping into this computer. Refuse to sell our souls to Lucifer. Rather be some young entrepreneurs. Haters are full of shit like a sewer. Ain't none truer. You gotta get up on the microphone and stand for something. Lyrically, we're dumping. Get up on the microphone and we're running and gunning like I'm getting paid dirt. That's a touchdown. 7 points. Pass it back to Juicebox so you can let it be known that we're flowing.
Yo, flowing every day, kinda crazy like Jimi Hendrix phase. Gotta smoke a lot of bush, call it purple haze. So high, you could touch the sky, the giants ask me why. Even God said, what are you doing? You gotta rebuttal, a mulligan. Now you're wondering why, what I'm doing. Never huddle with weak MCs, we're the best, attacking the beats like it was unleashed. And uncaged, unmasked, and in a rage. Got me playing Osega Omega, great place to landscape. First, I wanna take away the hatred inside of the placement where people are adjacent to evil characteristics. MC microphone holder, you know it's so simplistic.
Yeah, that's all you gotta love ourselves first, like Critter says. Cause if you don't, then it ain't good. It won't be all hood in the tall woods. That's why you gotta do good. If you like something, you should treat it right and love it. Life is worth much more than gold. You only live once and you can't get the time back. So, you gotta have a little fun at that while we're here on this planet. Spit a freestyle or two, goddammit. Yeah, we're just saying this random stuff, whether we utter or stutter, we're smooth as butter with a lyrical clutter. So in other words, it doesn't really matter what the haters say. We got that verbal feng shui, it's in our DNA, it's hereditary. To get up on the microphone and leave them in the shock, at least momentarily, as we stay flyer than a tooth fairy. The government is a parody and they're disparaging. They got you listening to Katy Perry on Cycle, that's MK Ultra if you ask me.
Yeah, we flow every day, it's kinda crazy. Got me feeling lazily. First, I wanna run around smoking marijuana to enlighten my karma. We got a lot of cash, we're not armed up. We're from Colorado, from the top of the mountains, and we like to babble and then rattle. MCs never and always harshly tattle. This is first one, the first to disperse, not holding a gun. Cause raps are fun, we don't have to kill, we just got the cool rap appeal. We don't wanna have to shill, what we have to do is real. It is real.